Prepositions. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence, typically indicating location, direction, time, or possession. Examples include in, on, at, etc. Here are examples for each. At. 1. Meet me at the park. 2. She's at the office. 3. The party is at 7 p.m. 4. At what time? 5. Look at that. On. 1. The book is on the table. 2. We're on vacation. 3. Call me on Monday. 4. It's on the news. 5. Turn on the light. Buy. 1. Come by the office. 2. Pay by credit card. 3. Stand by me. 4. Done by tomorrow. 5. By the way. In. 1. She's in Dubai. 2. We're in a meeting. 3. Come in. 4. In the morning. 5. Written in English. Of. 1. A friend of mine. 2. The capital of KSA. 3. Full of energy. 4. The color of the sky. 5. A lot of work. Subscribe Whisperify for learn more. Thanks for watching.